I'm going for a little adventure today, and I'm going to ride in a combine with my friend John. John is the same man that owns the steam locomotive that I have shown in other videos. This is the great Vactor company, and this is where Jordan works. So the field is not very far from where we are right now. They're expanding the plant greatly. They sell an awful lot of these big sewer cleaning machines, and they've cut a new road in up here that I've never been down. It's not a real nice day. It's 45 degrees and cloudy, overcast. Not a pretty day, but it's mid-October 2020. I haven't been down here. I had no idea the new addition to Vactor was this big. And I shouldn't be showing you this because this is the cornfield, and I believe that's the combine way down at the end. Well, you can see in the parking lot here, this is where they store the chassis prior to installing the Vactor's units on them. Here's some finished units waiting to be shipped out. And there's John's truck. So he said to meet me by the truck. Hope I don't get stuck. That looks kind of muddy. And here he's coming. John, how you doing? Okay, we got an 8-row combine here, John Deere, of course. And how many acres here, John?
This field's 54 acres.
54 acres, and it looks like you got maybe 1/3 of it done, or so?
Not quite.
Not
1/5.
1/5 done. So I think he's getting anxious, so we'll get up into the cab. That train whistle again, Norfolk Southern. I didn't realize the Vactor edition was this big.
It's huge. Oh
my gosh.
It's our town.
And you can see that the hopper is about full of corn, or at least up to the window here. I'm not sure how much that is.
Well, I got a gauge. It tells me it's about half full.
Are you going to unload now?
Yeah,
I in your way? How many bushels is the wagon? You say 950? Clear of weeds, as you can see, because Roundup was used. There's some corn that's down, as you can see. Back so you can see. Sure how jerky this will be, you know, in the final video. Yeah, we're bouncing a bit. The hopper is totally full and we can hear corn spilling out onto the roof, so it's got to get emptied here real quick. And we're doing 9.6 acres per hour with a yield of about 240 bushels. 2,400 bushels per hour. Seeing how you enter.
Well, it is pretty. I gotta take these ends off behind this way. But I'm not gonna do it right now.
cars that aren't. These hopper cars are filled with or will be used for plastic pellets for injection molding. Didn't want to harvest that barrel. Blue in, no doubt.
Oh, they're going to slide those tracks over.
And they're unloading the plastic pellets from the rail cars onto the truck, which will move it to an injection plant someplace, such as Plano molding. I'm making that up. I don't really know where it's going. Bit of a clog. It's very clean. There's almost no corn left. You might see a few kernels like that, but it's not missing many. I'm back at the car and I picked a few ears of corn. This is at 16% moisture right now. I think they ideally want 12 or 14, so it had to be dry just a little bit at the elevator.
Alright, now I'm driving the John Deere Combine. Lucky thing we got it on autopilot. Alright, that'll be good.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you to John. And he's about halfway done with the field, he said. I'm still here at the Vactor plant. I'm heading home, but it's interesting to see there's a couple Burlington Northern Santa Fe locomotives here, and what I really want to show you, and they're running, is that they are moving these locomotives, Metrolink, and those sure look like the Charger, don't they? And I'm not sure where they are being taken or what that means. And there's another one over here. Tell me, if someone out there in the comments, is this the same as a Charger that they're using on Amtrak? I know the lighting isn't good. John told me to come over here and look at these. The cornfield we were just at is way on the other side of all of those chassis that Vactor is going to put their units on. And the plant is really just tremendous in size compared to what it was a few years ago. And I used to get much of the steel for the welding shop from Vactor. They were really, really good to us at the school. I know I'm telling you a lot more than you want to know, but this is the Burlington Northern Santa Fe track, and there is a locomotive down there waiting for a signal. But at this point, it's called the Streeter Junction. Notice that there is a Y here and another track coming off of it. And that turns into Norfolk Southern, and that's where you saw those locomotives a minute ago. You can see them down there in the distance.